Green shoots are once again poking through in the global economy. But which ones will flourish and which will turn to weeds? We decode that in this next report. Take a look.
The absolute classic of the genre, green shoots metaphor sprang up in US commentary again last week. But the real question is, if the strong economy narrative is finally spilling into the long-embattled jobs market. The short answer is no, not yet. Nearly all the jobs in 2025 were created by private healthcare. Virtually all other sectors shed workers. That has only become more extreme after the latest revisions. Job openings are falling, layoff announcements are trending up, and consumers are still downbeat about their job prospects. Still, none of that means the US can't continue growing above trend for now, dominated by AI investment and wealth effects. But analysts are sticking to their call for 2 Fed cuts this year in June and September. Trade balance is scheduled for release this week. Trade data will see more elevated deficits as the pre-tariff inventory build is exhausted. The key data point will likely be the Fed's favored measure of inflation, the core PCE deflator. Analysts expect a 0.3% increase, limiting any further near-term momentum behind the Fed being more aggressive on policy easing. In Europe, there appears to be genuine signs of improvement. Germany's fiscal story has been a roller coaster. Optimism 12 months ago quickly gave way to pessimism, as it became clear that infrastructure doesn't get built overnight. And in a hint of creative accounting to the budget, and it looks like more brown leaves than green shoots. But private business surveys on purchasing managers in the coming weeks should give us a better steer. Britain showed flickers of optimism, not on growth, which rounded out 2025 weaker than expected, nor politics, which is a major banana skin for markets, but on inflation. There's a growing sense that the Bank of England could go further with its cutting cycle than previously thought. Inflation is set to drop dramatically over the next few months, even if the January data is unlikely to drastically change in the coming week. The jobs market has cooled and hiring surveys are still getting worse. Private sector wage growth is falling like a stone, but the bank itself is cautious, albeit divided. So overall, the global economy may be humming along at a decent clip, but the risks remain at play. Business Bureau, WION World is One.